Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful flower step by step. Let me know what I should crochet next and let's get started. I'll be using medium weight yarn to crochet the flower. My hook size is 3 millimeters. I'll also use a large eye needle and a pair of scissors. Now let's start crocheting the flower. First, I take my yarn and make a slip knot. Then I chain a total of 10 stitches. My chains are ready. I skip the first chain and insert my hook into the next chain. I yarn over and pull through. Here I make one single crochet. Into the next chain I make one half double crochet. Then I make one double crochet. Into the next 3 chains I will crochet 3 treble crochets in a row. Then I make one double crochet, one half double crochet, and into the last chain I make one single crochet. One side of my petal is now finished. Now I turn my work around like this. Keeping the short yarn tail on top, I crochet one more single crochet into the same stitch where I made the last single crochet. I place the short yarn under my fingers so I can hide it while crocheting. Into the next stitch I make one half double crochet, then one double crochet. On this side we made 3 treble crochets before, so again I crochet 3 treble crochets across from them. Then again one double crochet. One half double crochet, and finally one single crochet. I join by inserting my hook into the top of the first single crochet. My petal is now ready. I chain one and cut the yarn. First, I trim the hidden yarn tail at the back. Then I thread the remaining short yarn tail through my needle and hide it into the back side of the petal. I cut the remaining yarn. In this way, we crochet a total of 6 petals. I have finished crocheting all 6 petals. Now let's join them together. For this, I take my needle and thread the yarn through it. I take the petals one by one and carefully insert the yarn through the very bottom part of each petal like this. I continue threading all the petals one after another. Then turn them toward the back side. I pull the yarn tight. I gather the petals closely together. Then I tie the yarn into a knot. I make one more knot so it becomes secure and firm. Now I arrange the petals of my flower nicely like this. After assembling the flower, I will use a bead like this for the center. I insert my needle right through the center and bring it upward. I place the bead onto this part and securely sew it into the middle of the flower. Then I tie both yarn tails together into a knot. Finally, I trim the remaining short yarn tails. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and support the channel. See you in the next video.